It's gonna have to be a quick egg hunt video because I only got about 8% battery life left. There's something over there. Came in mode today, so it's a lot lower on the grass line. Girls, how y'all doing? Don't see no egg on that side there. What'd you do? Did you take them all? You're good at taking them. Only one? Alright. Yeah, leave you be. There's one. Makes two. Here's some noises behind me. There's a little torpedo looking one. Why is it all wet? Is that a broken egg? Did you? Betty, what happened? That looks like eggshell and yolk. What did you do? Because it looks like there's some on your beak too. Look up at me. Yeah, I see eggshell there. Betty. You have to have some serious talks in the morning. Hey, sweet pea. What? You being a good little pot belly? You still got some grubs from earlier? See some carrots and potato. Better not be a potato. Okay, they're radishes. You're not supposed to have potatoes. You have a great night. We'll see you in the morning. You're free ranged all day today, so I'm hoping I'll find a clutch of eggs somewhere tomorrow. Very frustrated. Starting to get drizzled on a little more. Hey, Mr. Frog. You guys see the frog? Yeah, Froggy. I got a buddy with the nickname of Froggy. He's out in California. I think that's it for tonight. You guys have a good one. I'm going before I get rained on. I already had a shower tonight. Don't want another one. Say night night, bun buns. Say night night. See y'all tomorrow.